Erokamano nyakwa Ramogi kuom Ramogi TV en sapar mar odhiambo chenro en mar kagi kacha nyinga Ochieng Emmanuel bed kode chakruok nyaka giko. Ka wachako jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua iseyo kod od bura manie doho kama itude kod temo yiero doho mawinjo buche mondo ogol ng'eto ma nyalo ng'won kode. Bura mar Rigathi ochwalo doho matemo geng'one od bura mar Senate kik chak twak mathiche oko. Okil Paul Nyamodi okone doho ni nitiere buche bura mar Rigathi osenyiso e kido mar yiero doho. Kata kamano gikone doho ni onge chik moyiene tamo od bura nyaka mano ma Senate winjo ng'ur kendo thicho oko jalup jatend piny. Kata kamano okil mar Gachagua Paul Mwite okoni ok en gima kare tudruok gi Rigathi kod yiero kit doho modwa ni owinje buche ni mar Rigathi ni kod ratiro mar manyo ratiche.
Parliament shall facilitate public participation. So it's a requirement of the Constitution. An involvement in the legislative and other business of Parliament. Other business such as the impeachment of the Deputy President. So, my Lord, if the petitioner is alleging that this public participation, constitutional obligation of the National Assembly was violated, this court has, without any shadow of doubt, the jurisdiction to intervene.
They will tell you that the doctrine of separation of powers precludes you. They will tell you, secondly, that the dispute before you is not ripe. They will tell you, thirdly, that the matter is sub judice and should therefore not be heard before you. They will cite for you, my Lord, an authority listed in the, I believe, grounds of opposition of my good and learned friend, Mr. Kuyoni Josephat, for the Attorney General. This is the case of Mate and another one versus Wambora and another. My Lord, that decision is wholly distinguishable from the case before you, because what had happened when my Lord interrogates the circumstances, a court order was obtained in the middle of deliberation and debate by the County Assembly of Embu.
Senate County Mahalwale Boni, County Makakamega Boni Halwale wachini od bura ma Senate biro luwo chike duto madwarore kinde bet mar winjo dwaro mathicho ke kom jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua. Halwale wacho ni od buch Senate biro winjo kendo kolo idho kweth monywande burano kapok gibiro gikawo chung' margi.
Katika bunge walipopata kwamba wako na mashtaka 11 ambayo Gachagua lazima ajibu, bunge imemshtaki kwa seneti, na seneti ndio itachukua uamuzi wa mwisho. Sasa vile ninarudi Nairobi, ninaenda kukalia kiti yenye Gachagua atasomewa mashtaka, alafu mashahidi wataletwa na bunge mbele yangu. Gachagua ataleta mashahidi yake, nitasikiza mahali yenye maneno italala, ndio ukweli itapelekwa mpaka ulete ushahidi. Mimi siwezi kumtoa bila sababu, na mimi siwezi kosa kumtoa kama makosa iko. Kwa hivyo we are going to listen to the case and make a fair decision as in the meaning of our constitution of Kenya.
Jatendun bura mana Charity Ngilu London ni okone owacho magi kinde kapa jopiny e withi choko Gachagua. Jopiny ne ogolo duondgi mar jatend piny kod jalupne owuok e apisi. Ngilu ne olose boma Kitui sama ne obedo gi romo gi jotend riwruok makeno jopuonj NAT kama nowacho ni Gachagua ka dhi dala to gidhi kanyakla gi jatend piny William Ruto kotene gi jaod bura ma Kitui Central Makali Mulu kod jagoro maduong' mar riwruok mar jopuonj NAT Collins Oyu. Giwacho mae kinde matiyo ni jopiny kendo ok ne ogo siasa.
Solidarity. 2021-25 CPR.
Leadership must listen to the needs and aspirations of the people. Yeah. And for sure, if you don't listen, you will go home. And this is what we are witnessing here. Yes. Watu walioana wawili tukiwaona. Na hata ndoa haijaendelea miaka miwili. Mmoja analala kitanda upande huu, mwingine upande huu. Na hii tulikuwa tunasema hii ni ndoa ya uongo hii. Na sasa anaenda kutafuta yule hakuwa naye amsaidie. Nafikiri wa Kenya ni lazima sasa tuanze kuangalia na tuanguke na hii kitu hii. We shall not watch our country go to the dogs. And if we don't stop it, it will happen.
Watu wanasema ondoa huyu kwa kiti, bakisha huyu. But I've been asking myself, kama shule haifanyi vizuri, you blame who? So you blame my teacher. You can't start saying my deputy ameleta shida, kwa hiyo wacha tutoe deputy to tubakisha teacher. That's why you are head of an institution. This country is facing challenges which cannot only be associated with the deputy president. These challenges must be put where they belong. And they belong to the head of the state. That is the president. Tuko pamoja? Ndio mmesikia tumesema kufa driver, kufa makanga, hata makanika afanye nini? Aende.
Maukum jotel mawuok e alwora mar masawa ma piny Kenya koni kaka oganda nitie dwaro maduong' maloso duond bura margi giwegi. Ka giloso e kinde alam ma Jumapil, itelogo kama oting'o jagoro mar duond bura mar Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni okoni ne onyiso jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua kod jotelo moko mawuok gwengego mondo werikni ka jwang'o duond buchegi ka gidonjo e UDA. Gino ma okoni omiyo sani Gachagua kale mapek e kindeni ma idwa thiche oko.
Nimemwambia mwenyewe kwa mdomo kabla awe deputy. Mimi nilimwambia hauwezi enda kutangatanga kwa vyama vyenyewe na wewe hauna chama. Wakati utaonyeshwa nje itakuwa out neja.
Preachers are cheated so easily because they don't know the language of politics. Hawajui wanasiasa ni waogo.
Dul makering baadhi IEBC no kinyima kawuono ma kapisa moro ma dul mochung' ne yiero IEBC ma wacho ni otiyo gi oboke mag somo mabandia mondo oyud tich e dulno. Pisano moyangi nyinge ni Caroline Sabiri Manyange no ma kidalane mantie Nairobi West ka koro rito mondo chwale e doma Milimani kawuono. Maeno yangi jawach e lo IEBC Eric Ngumbi. Maeno lero ni gisani ogeng' ne apisano e paro bila ma IEBC. IEBC bende wacho ni gidhi kwayo do mondo ma apisano omenda maromo milion 37 ma osebedi ka ichule e yor osara. Jokanyo mopogore sekta ma somo romo kar chung'o bura ma South Mugirango ma chiwo puonj ne jopuonjre mag sekondar gi ageto mar geng'o weche mag wang'o mwandu mag skunde nyeto kuonde nindo e tam mar adek. Kane giloso skund sekondar ma yawuoyi Mandhuru, jalup kansela ma mbalariany ma Egerton Gire Isaac Kibwage okwayo jopuonje madongo mondo bag romo ma kinde ka kinde kod jopuonjre ma chiwo negi thuolo mar yango korgi poni nitiere pek kod ng'ur moro amora e kindgi. Ne gisingo nywando jolony e kinde ka kinde mayudo ka ginyalo konyo hinga e gigo maloro jopuonjre e kinde ma bende gintiere skul kaka yo mar geng'o koko e kuonde somogo.
So it is our fathers who have the why and we make it that the students are not joining the process of university. Thank you.
Let's all rise to humble ourselves before the Lord.
If the school administration listens and talks with the students, in most cases they will actually understand what the situation is and the limitations of what they are demanding vis-a-vis what is available. Yes. So for me, this communication and the discussion.
This is the right way to go, and the boys have been encouraged to a great extent, and we hope the professor will be coming here and again.
And we believe from this humble background, encouraging these kids, we can actually get many of them achieve their objectives. Because the problem with these rural setups is that we only bank on the people around us. to hear. So in most cases, you'll be hearing of specific careers because that is what the kids are able to associate with.
Many of the old school boys, we look for them wherever they are so that they can come and also give something in terms of knowledge to the students. And when they see this is the person who was in this school, then they will feel that they will also be something else.
Ringre nyathi majigni ang'wen oyudi e kisima kadak ma Shikambi County ma Kakamega. Wachore ni nyathi ma wuoyino ne wuok ma tugo ka bang'e ringre oyudi e kisima no ma pi. Jodak ewego yango kanyo kaka moseketo ngima marach ka gidwaro mondo odine kaka yo mar geng'o masira makama ma nyalo biro timore kendo. Ringre otere kar kano ringre e kar thieth ma Kakamega Referral Stima nonro dhi nyime.
Hii ndio mara yangu ya kwanza kusikia kwamba mjukuu wangu ameanguka kwa maji. Maana mama yake alienda kwao na mimi nikabaki na watoto. Kwa hivyo mimi ndio ninatunza hawa watoto. Sasa nilikuwa na watafuta ili waje wale, lakini nikakuta hawako. Sasa baada saa kidogo ndio ninaambiwa ya kwamba mtoto ameanguka kwa kisima. Kurudi kwenda kutazama nikakuta ya kwamba amekwisha aga dunia.
Sasa mimi nilikuwa nimelala kwa nyumba. Watoto wanacheza nje. Huyu Bernard Dau na mtoto wangu. Dau akakuja kuniita, "Mama Bradley, kuja uone Bernard ameanguka kwa maji." Mimi nikakuja mbio, nilikuwa nafikiria ndio ameanguka tu ndani. Ile jirani yangu akienda kuita watu, mimi nikajaribu kumtoa. Na nikamtoa, kumtoa akakooa. Tukaanza kumfinya maji lakini mimi sijui wanafanyanga. Kumbe alikuwa shakufa.
Ilikuwa ikitumika imekaa mwaka moja. Nilikuwa nimefunika na hii magogo na nikaama sky hapa na nikaenda kukaa kwingine. Lakini nilikuwa nimefunika na hii magogo.
Ikuwe funzo kwetu mahali pengine kama kunaweza kuwa na kisima, mtu anachukua ile utaratibu wa kufunika, yani ikuwe na ile safety nzuri kabisa ya kuzuia hata mtu mzima unaweza telezo kaanguka ndani ama mtoto.
Much tuo mar wang' ma nyithindo mumuche kaunti ma Samburu yangore ni kelo kod mine mapek marim chopo e kuonde thieth mondo mirangi kod lakteche. Midhiero ni koni nyalo res mapiyo kamiyo chopo e kar thieth kendo fweny tuono kod laktar. Bedo ni chwal nyithindo matindo mondo kapok gichopo higa achiel kod nus nyalo migi thieth mageng'o tuoche maket kod ololo mabiore e wenge nyithindo.
Nilipojifungua mtoto wangu hakuwa anaona wala hakuwa anacheza na wenzake, lakini nilipomleta hospitali amfanyiwe upasuaji hadi kwa sasa anaona na nashukuru madaktari.
Mtoto wangu alikuwa na shida hata ashesi haoni hata, lakini sasa ameshindwa macho akaona. Sasa anaweza cheza na wenzake. Sasa ako na furaha na anaona.
4 kati yao ni wale ambao wamezaliwa wakiwa na shida hiyo ya mtoto jicho, na haimaanishi kwamba mtoto jicho ni ugonjwa ambao inasumbua watu wakubwa pekee. Pia watoto wanazaliwa na shida hiyo ya mtoto jicho, na kuna mambo mingi ambayo inachangia. Wale wa mama ambao labda hawaendi kwa ile antenatal clinics kuangaliwa vyema kuhakikisha ya kwamba katika ujauzito wao hawapati shida yoyote.
It is very important to be conscious of the problem, to lead the children to the specialist if the parents feel that there is something.
Cataract is the main cause of blindness, 80% cause of blindness kwa Samburu County. So kutupitia county yetu ya Samburu na pia national government na pamoja na partners wale tuko nao marafiki wetu, I think the future ni ku set up a night unit ambayo inaweza kuendelea kufanya hizi surgery.
Tim Mashujaa noloyo tim mar Shogun e kinde mokalo. Mong'ere kaka Samurai Rugby Points 12 kuom nono finals mag tuke Safari Sevens mano bag alap ma Jomo Kenyatta Stadium e county ma Machakos. Shujaa kokalo kuom jatugo Patrick Odongo nokalo gi ng'wech jobak mag Shogun kendo weyo gi chien kapok oloyo try mare mokwongo mane omiyo Shujaa points 5. Kata doko ni jatugo achiel ne omi kad kendo wuok oko. Shujaa nodhi nyime gi tugo maber kendo yudo try mar 2 kokalo kuom jatugo Ben Salem kapok jatugo Dennis Abukusa leo conversion mane omiyo Shujaa loch ma points 12-0. Erokamano nyako Ramogi kuom kete Ramogi TV mane makelo giko mar weche manyien moikone chenro mar kagi kacha watude kendo koromo saa achiel. Ibo chakeli weche manyien monon modo molueyo makare nyinga uchiegni.